How to fix GCash app account is on hold fast. So, first things first, of course, you're gonna be inside GCash. You should be able to find the help option in the top right. We're gonna have to enter there to specifically take off the actual step-by-step method for your specific reason, because the account on hold error or basically block does have multiple reasons. So just go ahead and press on help, of course, and at this point just press on your account in the categories. Then just search for hold and it should appear like so. My GCash account is on hold. So here are the main reasons why this is happening. So the first one is a suspension or deactivation of GCash account or card section of their terms and conditions. So here's how you can fix it if you get this reason. And if it's because of a non-verification of your GCash account, then what you're going to have to do is basically go for an account closure. So if your GCash wallet balance is 0, your account will be closed. And second one, if you have money left in your GCash wallet balance, your account will be temporarily suspended or restricted, so you won't be able to use the services. And a monthly basic account maintenance fee will be applied to keep your account active in their system. During this period, you may claim your remaining balance at any time by submitting a ticket. Once your balance reaches 0 or your account has been charged for 10 years, whichever comes first, your account will be closed. But your next steps is to basically use GCash again, and you're gonna have to create a new GCash. This time, you're gonna verify it. But if it wasn't because of an unverified account, you're gonna have to check the email from GCash with the subject account deactivation. So you're gonna reply to the email within 24 hours to request a quit claim. So accomplish, sign, and notarize the quit claim form, and reply to the email and attach the completed quit claim form, and it must be submitted within 72 hours. So wait for GCash to confirm and reply to your email. So cash out the remaining balance of your GCash account as well. So for fully verified accounts, you will be given 24 hours, but for basic accounts, you have 72 hours to cash out your funds through pay bills, buy load, or scan to pay. Now the next one is inaccurate or invalid information in document submitted. We've already done this one. This one was the unverified reason, but for this one, if you didn't receive any email, this can mean the information and documents you provide for verification may not be real or accurate. So what you're going to have to do is make sure the documents you have given is actually real, and this time front and back photos of 2 valid government issued IDs, a photo of your signature on paper, proof of income, and proof of billing. So once you have those with you, just go ahead and click here to submit, and make sure you have done these properly. Fill in the form over here and just drop the files of the pictures that you have, which is these 4 things over here. And finally, the last reason is your GCash account may be on hold due to illegal use, legal orders, or an inactive wallet. So if it's illegal use, your account might be involved in illegal activities or suspicious transactions, legal orders, or an inactive wallet. So what you're going to have to do is go ahead and press on the chat with GG in the bottom right over here. Type account on hold to help in checking your account, and you're gonna have to prepare these documents. So photos of 2 valid government IDs, a selfie with these IDs, of course, and a screenshot of your phone SIM settings showing your GCash registered number. So just go ahead and have those prepared. Press on chat with GG, and just go ahead and tell account on hold, and just go ahead and do the whole process. But that's pretty much the options you have and the reasons for the account is on hold block in GCash. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.